Rally Up Crowdfunding Tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason and welcome to my Rally Up tutorial. Rally Up is a fundraising platform that is beginner friendly and easy to use, and it allows you to create fundraisers in different ways. So for example, you can offer your fundraiser either as a donation page or as a raffle and so many other options. And what I like about it, it is beginner friendly. So let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to tap on Get Started. Then from there, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple. After you're signed up, you'll tap on Go to My Experiences and you'll be redirected to this dashboard. Once on your Rally Up dashboard, you're going to tap on New Experience. After selecting New Experience, from here, you can choose to start with a blank fundraiser, or you could scroll down and tap on Browse All Templates, and then you can see different templates that you can choose from. So you could choose crowdfunding fundraiser, crowdfunding P2P, or you can scroll down and you can see different options. You could create a raffle, you can also create an auction, and there are numerous other options that you can choose from, as you can see right here. Let's say, for example, we were to select crowdfunding fundraiser. After doing that, you can tap on Use This Template. Once you have tapped on Use This Template, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can now start your setup. So you can see right here, we'll scroll down. And if you would like to also offer live streaming, you could toggle that on. If you would like to offer crowdfunding perks, you could toggle that on right there. After doing that, you can set up or create, better yet, a title for your experience. Then you could add your event date and location. So you can tap right there and you could select when you'll be having your event, and you can select the start time and then you can select the end time right here. So let's say, for example, it will be ending at 12:59. Then you'll scroll down and you could put in the event location. You can also scroll down and you can set up when do you want to start selling crowdfunding perks, immediately after completing setup, or when my events start. Then you can scroll down when do you want to stop accepting general donations. You can select the date and time that you like to stop accepting general donation. Then you can scroll down and you can see right here, free with donor tipping, or if you would like to select this option. After you're finished, you'll tap on Next. From here, you can put in your organization name. So you could type in your organization name and then you'll tap on Search. And you could search for your organization by state. So I'm just going to be using a random organization. After you have done that, you'll tap on Next. Then from here, you can add your crowdfunding perks. So you could create perk. You can upload a cover image, put in the title, and also the perk donation level. After you have done that, you'll tap on Save. Then you'll scroll down and you can choose the layout that you want. So you could select this layout. Then you can scroll down and you can also choose to display the perks, or you can leave it as is. Once you're finished, you'll tap on when do you want to stop selling crowdfunding perks, and you can add in the date and time right there. I'll just be breezing through. Then you can go on to page design and you could choose which layout you'd like to use. And you'll also see different customization features that you can select from. So you can set up all of these, as you can see right there. They provide you with a perfect layout. After doing that, you'll be able to choose which one of these options you'd like to have for your payment checkout. And you can also scroll down and set up different information right there. So you'll be able to create the donation amounts that you'd want. So you can add that in right there by tapping on Edit. You'll be able to set the amount. Then you can tap on Save. After you have done that, you'll tap on Next. Then you could go to Review and you could tap on Preview your experience and you'll be able to preview it. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on Go Live and it will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.